Excuse me. I have an interesting question for YouTube people. Okay, I got two chainsaws from Bunnings, different occasions. This is a 46cc. This is a 51cc. So my question is, which one's more powerful? I'm pretty sure I know the answer. I just want to get other people's opinions, so I'm not going to say anything. Also, something weird I noticed. On the 46cc chainsaw, the bar's bigger, and it's the longer chain. The top chain was from the left one. From the 46, the bar's longer. The bottom chain here, it's from the 51. It's got a smaller bar. I'm just wondering, could I have swapped the bars around? Did I swap the bars without putting them on the correct machines? So on the 46, which is a smaller cc power, I've got a bigger bar. On the higher power 151, I've got a smaller bar. Is that wrong? Should I be swapping the bars over? Yeah, so there you go. That belongs to the long bar. That's a short bar one. That's my dog.